name is Benjamin Vela, and my major is instrumental music education. I attended camp for 1 year. I think the ways that camp prepared me to attend Florida State was getting me introduced to different faculty members and seeing how they teach and how they operate, along with making different connections between not only prospective students but also current students that attend the school, and it helped me gain information on things such as auditioning and applying. I still do keep in touch with a lot of friends I made through FSU camp, and I do see some of them around, whether it be marching chiefs or throughout the College of Music in general and different ensembles that I'm in, and I feel camp has definitely helped me make connections while out here. I think going into camp I knew I wanted to do some field of music, but I think through the experiences I had in camp it helped me realize that education was the path for me, and that would suit me the best in terms of what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. My advice for campers and future FSU students would be to take advantage of all the opportunities that camp provides, make friendships that will last throughout your experiences at camp and potentially when you get to Florida State, and to just have fun, because you never know when you're going to see those people again or when you're going to get those experiences again.